Everybody look. Does this look like a bear market to you? Look. Is this a bear market? No. How can it be a bear market? How are you in a bear market? Explain it to me. Right? This is a low. This is a high. This is a higher low. This is a higher high. This is a higher low. This is a higher high. This is a higher low. This is higher than that. You are still in a bullish structure. These are only facts. Now let me prove it to you a different way. Wait for it. If I go up here, this is very easy, right? If I go up here and I type in STOCH, I'm typing in stock. This is called a stochastic RSI. See that? I actually have it favorited here too. It's something that people use all the time. Let's click the stochastic RSI. Click. There's some stuff down here that you need to pay attention to. See if this makes sense to you. Line these up. Look at this. When this was oversold, and I'm on the weekly chart, in case you think this is a game, this is a weekly chart. When this got oversold on the weekly, notice that this formed a base of support. Look what happened after that. For those of you who don't understand what happens after that, pay attention. This is Bitcoin down here at 20-something thousand dollars. It goes from 20-something thousand up here, almost 200% up here to almost 70,000, going from 24 to like $70,000. You might want to continue to pay attention here because this is going to be something that you could just easily just make up your mind of what's going on. Notice when you get up here, notice that, see how this is? Look at that. That's called overbought. Too many people in the market buying too much Bitcoin. The market pulls down. Look, this pulls the market down. Notice that when you get down here, what is that? Oversold. Look what happens here. It forms a base of support. Bitcoin is down here around $50,000 when that happens. Goes from 50,000, look, goes up here to 105,000. Look at what you see right here. Is that not overbought? Too many people buying, it's overbought. You see it? That's the top resistance. Bitcoin goes from this 100-some thousand, pushes back down here to around 75,000. Look what happens down here. What is that? Oversold. People sold way too much Bitcoin. It bottomed out, oversold. Bitcoin's down here at $50,000. Look what happens now. It goes from 50,000 and push your all-time high end of $126,000 Bitcoin. But wait a minute, what is this? Overbought. Look at what's happening right now. Look at where Bitcoin is right now, and you tell me this is a bear market? Look what's happening down here. Ask yourself, if you had to make a decision right now of whether you think this is a bear market or this is a natural pullback inside of a very bullish structure, ask yourself what is going on. Where is this shit going? It's already at the bottom. How can it be a bear market? It's already down here at the bottom. You're at the bottom of a bullish channel and this is already oversold. Where is this going? Tell me, please tell me. It's not going anywhere. It is going to hang out down here a little bit. This is already starting to this is going to just chop around a little bit until everybody gets pissed off. And then it is going to do what? It can't go anywhere else. It's going up. Look at your chart. Look. You sure it's a bear market? I'm showing you the chart. Ask yourself, is that a bear market? Nope. It can't be. No way. Now, not only do you know, that's the weekly chart, by the way. Not only do you know on the weekly chart, Bitcoin is completely oversold. And it is at the bottom of an ascending channel, which is still a bullish structure of higher highs and higher lows. That is just a fact. No one can argue this. This is nothing to be arguing about at all. That's a fact. Now, what can we add in addition to that, right, to make sure that this is not a bear market? I don't know. Maybe throwing something in like the federal government has ended quantitative tightening. That means the reverse of quantitative tightening, QT, is QE, quantitative easing. That means the money printer go, brrrr, they're getting ready to print trillions of dollars and throw it into the market. What are people going to do with trillions of dollars in the market? I can tell you what they're going to do with it. They're going to go buy a bunch of products and services. What is that going to do for the stock market? What are people going to do that are smart? They're going to take that money and do what? Invest it. What are they going to invest it in? Real estate, REITs, real estate investment trusts, stocks, bonds, and what else? You can say it out loud. Starts with a C. Crypto.